Do you have an iPhone and need to figure out how to check your device's storage? In this video, I will show you exactly how to check your iPhone storage in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. And now you'll see an option called iPhone Storage. So go ahead and tap that. Now it will take a couple of seconds to load this page. Once that's done, at the very top, it will show your iPhone storage. As you can see, my device has 128 gigabytes of total storage, and I've used 28.4 gigabytes of the available space. Most of the storage space went to apps, iOS, and system data. Also, you can scroll down to see a list of all the installed apps on your device. And to the right of each app, it will show you the amount of storage space that specific app is taking up. If you are running low on storage space, you can delete any of these apps from your device. To do that, tap on the app that you want to get rid of. Then simply tap Delete App. And then tap Delete App one more time to confirm your action. So if you have apps that you don't use very often, you can delete them to free up some storage space on your device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.